Hi friends, this video is sponsored by Gen Reviews. Kathakali. Now we're going to see about Kathakali. Kathakali is a classical dance from Kerala in India, known for its vibrant costumes, intricate makeup, and dynamic performance. It's a unique blend of music, dance, and theatre, showcasing stories from Hindu epics like Ramayana and Mahabharata. Origins and history. Kathakali originated in 16th century in Kerala, specifically in Malabar region. It evolved from ancient temple arts, folk dances, and marital traditions. Key characteristics of Kathakali: makeup and costumes. It's elaborate, colorful, and symbolic. Mudras, hand gestures, conveying emotions and storytelling. Facial expressions, dynamic and expressive. Another one is footwork, intricate and energetic. And next is vocal music, classical Carnatic music accompaniment. These are some characteristics of Kathakali and types of Kathakali. Satvika. Number one, Satvika emphasizes emotions and expressions. Dandava, it focuses on energetic movements. And next one is Lasya, highlights graceful and fluid movements. Performance structure: Natan, Vesham, Kaliveyakam, and Kalasam. These are few information about Kathakali. Thank you.